That was right up there. Red zone.
On sec, what was?
You're up next. Did you just save on me, Pete?
Cuando
Heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up.
Good hack. Good hack, right on it.
My head's up.
There we go, Sam.
What?
Go see it long, Sam.
Oh, Sam.
Good. To be honest, I don't really care. It's not at you though. Good if that's
the pitcher.
I don't care.
Come on, man. Come on, Mose.
I'll let you say it.
When I hear him, we're going to the bottom. When he does that, like, pick him up. For 90. I'm not gonna get there. Get there. Yes, sir. Hey, let's go. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. That ain't dominoes, that's shaking.
Ha ha ha.
Ha.
Shut up, Sweeney.
Yeah, shut up, Sweeney Weenie.
Coach, did the first baseman miss it?
Like that.
If it wasn't for that rocket last inning, we'd be tied.
Sweeney Weenie. No, you're not, dude. Go shoot.
Backed up on it.
That's exactly what you did.
Hey,
Did the first baseman just miss that or what?
It's a single and two on the out. And that ball.
Yeah, dude, no one knows that it was like that.
No, it could have been like a rocket.
Everyone here knows.
I could have been.
Actually,
Yeah, it says pop fly in there.
that's a single.
Yep.
It could have been to the warning track. It's just that I was running.
No. See, except to put a ball in the box. Just like bat flip.
Hey, don't tweet it, Dad! Focus! Focus!
Don't worry about last night.
Don't be worried about what I'm doing.
Is that your water?
That was my whole
Yeah,
time.
there's more in there. Just take a ride.
You know.
Oh.
Now you leave!
Half water? That was shit. Yeah. You're grinding, right?
My name is.
Oh yeah, that's what
I wouldn't. Hanomos. Come on, you move! Hey, adjust to it. Adjust to it.
Let's go, Sev.
Good fight.
Hey, way to protect. Coach, does this umpire know English? Does this umpire know
I just
English?
realized he has a fastball and a changeup.
Does he know English? He's like Norwegian.
No, but I like.
1, 2. Let's go, Sev.
Hey, you got a lot more.
4 times.
4 times in summer.
Getting it.
You've done it 4 times.
10 an hour.
How much money?
10 an hour. I only get the key pass.
You get $5 an hour.
My parents take
Literally 10 bucks.
That's how it is.
Do they just take it or is it for like college?
Tell you how it is.
Is it still off his head?
I don't know.
Where'd you get that off of?
My ass.
Alright, you got a rock. Alright.
You are the weirdest kid I've ever met in my life. No question about it. There's not even like competition.
Nope.
Come on, man.
Back!
It's not act. Back! Calls, whatever the hell they're called. It's act like a human. All right, Colin?
Bashing his own helmet.
Let's go, Evo!
Hey, more.
My ball.
Get down, get down.
Yes.
Just right.
I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
Let's go, Ray. Come on now.
Hey, ball on the field. Ball on the field.
You're gonna have to go get
Oh
it.
shit, I just found it.
I'm on the field and then bear crawl out of Twitch.
All right.
I don't want to now.
It is like bear crawl. On, baby! On, baby! Oh, I like that pep walk.
All guys will play like that.
All right.
You don't swing at that! All right.
Get there. I gotta beat it up.
He's off the bag. Yo, you gotta get chance or something.
The kid at first.
No, you want it that bad.
Come on, Gift. Yes. Scoring a base here. Right there.
Hey, Mang Mang! Mang Mang Gang!
You're right, you're right.
Beer in like 11 seconds.
Hey, Gist.
Come on, Justin.
Shit. Hey, Mang Mang Gang! Mang Mang Gang!
Here.
About to get out of there!
Evan Moore.
Oh my god. What?
Fuck, get up. Yes, yes, come on.
Yes, sir! Way to go!
Ball's coming.
Oh, he blocked the ball! He kicked me in front of me!
Hey, pick up Gift.
He's out.